Want to make extra money using your skills? Freelancing is a flexible and profitable way to earn cash on your own terms. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or go full-time, this video will guide you through the steps to start freelancing today. Let's dive in. What is freelancing? Freelancing is all about offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. The best part, you control your schedule, rates, and the type of work you take on. From writing and graphic design to coding and consulting, there's huge demand for freelancers worldwide. Step 1. Identify your skills. First, identify your marketable skills. What are you good at? Do you enjoy writing, coding, graphic design, video editing, or consulting? Think about your strengths and how you can offer value to potential clients. Step 2. Create an online presence. Next, create a professional online presence. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for freelance services. Your profile is your first impression, so make sure it highlights your skills, experience, and past projects. Step 3. Develop a portfolio. Clients want to see what you can do before they hire you. Create a portfolio with your best work. If you're just starting, offer sample projects or work at a lower rate to build experience and credibility. Step 4. Set competitive prices. Pricing your services can be tricky. Research what other freelancers charge in your niche. Consider your experience, project complexity, and the value you provide. But don't undervalue your skills. Step 5. Market yourself and find clients. Now, it's time to market yourself. Use LinkedIn, social media, and online communities to promote your services. Networking is key. Join industry groups and forums to connect with potential clients and other freelancers. Step 6. Communicate and deliver quality work. Strong communication leads to happy clients. Set clear expectations, agree on deadlines, and provide regular updates. Deliver high-quality work on time, and you'll build a strong reputation, leading to repeat business and referrals. Freelancing is a powerful way to turn your skills into cash and work toward financial freedom. Follow these steps to start your freelance journey today. Subscribe for more FIRE movement insights and financial tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment below. What freelancing skill are you excited to monetize? Let's discuss.